This is it. It's very colorful, like my life. So colorful, like my dress. So, mauni siya akong ibutang. Tulo, 3. Kay numdum ko, akong mama magbuhat og binignit katong si Eric na asa Pilipinas, 7 kalubi. Wow! 7. Nakatuna na ko ang ubang luto sa akong mama pod. Thank you, Mama Linda. I already mixed the banana and the kamuti, the sweet potato. Pero wala pa na ako gibutang ang coconut, ang gata. Ako sani siyang pakuloon. Yeah, it's by na. Almost cooked.
What is it?
Wow, it's liquor and yummy. The binignit of Wenlyn. Special. Special for you. I hope you like it. It's already done, my binignit. Dali na mo mga inday. Mga una ta, kumana. Yummy. Liquor, yummy, masarap, lami. So, magbutang na ko dire. Wow. So colorful. Perfect. Look at that. Now my binignit, it's done, ready to eat. It's done. My love, it's ready now. Come. This is it, my binignit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like my binignit and subscribe me. Don't forget to like, because wow. Liquor. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah,
No.
good.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Pass by the BIPAD in the Philippines. It's good. Special with young coconut. Nag-create ko og ako ang menu. Gi-enhance na ko ang binignit. Hello guys, this is Margaret taga Cebu. Gikuha jud niya ang binignit.
Lami kaayo.
Gikuha gid niya akong binignit. Gianhi, binignit ra yung gianhiya. This is Margaret from Cebu. Guwapa no mga Bisaya.
Oh, Bisaya, guwapa.
Tan-aw gid mo sa akong vlog ha. Permente. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.
Yes.
Okay, bye.